Mashed potatoes are a classic comfort food, but unfortunately they're loaded with carbs, making them incompatible with the keto diet. A serving of mashed potatoes can contain up to 30 grams of carbs, which is far above the daily carb limit on keto. Instead of mashed potatoes, opt for cauliflower mash. Cauliflower is a low-carb vegetable that, when steamed or boiled, takes on a similar texture to potatoes. It's creamy, smooth, and when mashed with butter, heavy cream, and garlic, it tastes just like traditional mashed potatoes. Cauliflower is also high in fiber and antioxidants, making it a much healthier alternative. You can use cauliflower mash as a side dish for meats, stews, or as a topping for keto-friendly casseroles. Not only is cauliflower mash lower in carbs, but it's also rich in vitamins like vitamin C and K, adding a nutritional boost to your meals.